Today we'll be cleaning the TOSOT RVAC, so get your tools ready and we'll be removing the outer case so that we can gain access to the evaporator coil and the condenser coil. Next we'll remove this cover, and this allows us access to the evaporator coil. Next you'll need a garden hose with pressurized water, like so. And be sure to cover these holes so that no water gets into the interior. Next we'll go inside and clean the interior filters. And just like that, that's how you clean the TOSOT RVAC unit.